Well, today, electors across the country formally affirmed Joe Biden's presidential victory. State-by-state members of the Electoral College began casting their votes this morning. Now, this is some video from the Indiana State House where the state's 11 representatives to the Electoral College unanimously cast their votes for President Trump. The ceremonial voting process took just 5 minutes. Secretary of State Connie Lawson presided over that meeting. Illinois cast all of its 20 votes for Joe Biden. And with the 2021 Indiana legislative session approaching in January, our local lawmakers hard at work crafting bills that they hope will become laws. Nicole Christine spoke with two of our local legislators to find out what they're going to be pushing for in Indianapolis. She now shares their priorities in this special report.
Hoosier lawmakers have less than a month before their return to the State House in Indianapolis for the 2021 legislative session. The pandemic has created new needs within the state and heightened ongoing concerns such as mental health support for young people. A bill crafted by local Senator John Ford aims to offer that support by placing the National Suicide and Human Trafficking Hotline numbers on the back of middle school and high school student IDs.
Something very simple, cost-effective that in other states have really, they think, had a big impact. Because anytime you can make it easier for kids to access that hotline without having to go to authority figures has been proven to help.
Ford is also reintroducing a bill related to mental health and crisis response teams at the local level.
When a family or a child specifically is going through a mental illness crisis, that they're not going to an ER for help, that there's actual services and a hotline that they can call, and we can, wrap these kids around some good quality mental health care.
Another bill from Ford aims to help public safety officials and their loved ones in the case of a COVID-19 death.
Right now, COVID is not listed as a line of duty death item. So I'll be carrying legislation for that. That'll have some fiscal impact, but it's one of those things we have to do.
For local representative and Vigo County teacher Tanya Paff, education funding remains a top priority.
There's been a lot of talk about 85% if you're virtual, 100% if you're in person, but with the pandemic, that's just not possible. So one of the big pushes is going to be to just make sure schools continue to be 100% fully funded.
Congressional redistricting is also a focus of PAF's.
2020, is our census year, so next year all the districts, the representative and Senate districts have to be redrawn, and my push is to make it as nonpartisan as possible, to make the districts a little more competitive for people who want to run for office.
PAF is also hoping to eliminate barriers to absentee voting and extend voting hours on Election Day.
We're one of only 2 states that our polls close at 6 o'clock. And, if you're a working person, a working parent, sometimes it's very hard on Election Day to get there by 6 o'clock. So I would like to, make it longer in the day, 7 or 8.
2021 is a budget year at the State House. Ford says getting federal CARES Act money to local communities is a collective goal for lawmakers as they craft the new state budget.
The feds have really had a lot of programs, but a lot of strings that have made it really difficult for small business to understand and to really use. So we're trying to cut some of those strings at the state level.
PAF says the issues she'll focus on in Indianapolis are issues that affect every Hoosier.
Broadband and public health are going to be at the forefront of my budget concerns, is, trying to help people get access to both healthier living and broadband. It is not a privilege to have broadband. It is a necessity.
In Terre Haute, with local news that matters, Nicole Christine, WTWO.
The legislative session kicks off on January 4th up there at the State House. For information on other bills that Senator Ford and Representative Paff are working on, as well as information on COVID-19 related changes being made for this session, you can go to our website, mywabashvalley.com.